All right, quick tidbit tip Tuesday, something like that. All right, one of many, I hope. You ever take out a wheel? You ever use a wheel lock on a car and forget it on the bench? Car takes off, and you're chasing the customer down the street. Leave the glove box open. It's usually where it is, and even if it's not, even if it's in the back or the trunk or whatever it is in the center console, leave the glove box open. When you get back in the car to pull the car out and you see the glove box open, it's a pretty good reminder that you forgot something. Try it out. It works for me. Here's another quick tip for you. You got to leave a car running outside. You're trying to warm it up. Maybe you're letting the battery charge. Maybe whatever reason, you put it outside, you're letting it run. Sometimes you forget. You get busy, you look out an hour and a half, 2 hours later, and you go, oh, darn, I left the car running. Put the four-ways on. If you forget, somebody will tell you, hey, there's a car outside running with the four-ways on. So that's another quick tip. Try that out. Something I do like to do, I know a lot of guys do it, and it's a good practice, is I know it came in here for an ABS light, but I will do a full health report. One, it's just nice to see what else is going on with the car. Maybe I can tell the customer, hey, you got other issues. Make sure he's aware. Two is protect myself. I fixed the ABS light without checking anything else. It goes back out the door, and the check engine light pops on because it's been on for 3 months, but all of a sudden it becomes, hey, you know, now the check engine light's on, now that you touched it. So I'm not saying this guy would do that, but sometimes there are people that will, and sometimes people pay closer attention to noises and stuff and lights after the car's been fixed. So that same noise that's been there for 3 months, or that same light that's been coming on for 4 months, that was never noticed, but because I went ahead and changed the headlight, all of a sudden it's, hey, you know, it's making a noise it never made before. So there aren't too many situations like that, but it happens. So in the best interest of me and the customer, I will do a full health report. Here's another one for you guys. Resettable circuit breakers. I got this one here. You can pick these up online. They come in different amperages. This one is a 20 amp. They come, I think I got a 10, 20, 30 amp. Rather than put fuses in and keep blowing them. Right, this one came in had a blown fuse. Turned out to be a hitch connector. So, but rather than just blow through fuses, I make these little adapters. You can use the fuse buddy. I grabbed this from my AES test kit, but you know, make something like this up and use this kind of anywhere. I didn't want to just jam these terminals in the fuse and spread them, so kind of just poked them in here. It allows me to check the circuit, and if it blows, hold on, pop and reset it. So you get these online, they're pretty neat. Who makes them? There you go. How's that? You see that? There you go. And that's that. And here's another quick one for you. You ever get these tipper modules in the Chryslers that go bad? GM fuse boxes. Right, I had a GM fuse box that was bad. I replaced it. I saved it. I took it apart. You pull these little connectors out. They're great for making test leads. Little spade connectors. These are like the female spade connectors, but you can use them 100 different ways. I keep this whole bag. This thing will last me a lifetime. I make, you know, right? We all make stupid little stuff. Relay testers with extension leads. They work great. So yeah, I put these little spades on here. Try that out. Works great. Don't waste it. Don't throw it out. Take it apart. I was going to do a video on this one. Came in no brake lights. Thought it'd be something interesting. It turned out to be nothing. Blown fuse. Trailer connector. Trailer adapter. Guy leaves it in place. Got all green molded. And shorted the brake light circuit out. Not really worth making a whole video over, but quick tip, I guess. If you got a tail light or brake light or turn signal fuse blowing mysteriously, check to see if somebody left one of these things in there and it's all corroded. Woo! And here comes another tip for you. It's all cool to all these mechanical tips and procedure tips. Here's one of the best tips. Get better friends. I don't mean there's anything wrong with your friends, but this is probably the most important tip, the most important tool associate yourself with like-minded individuals that have the same drive as you do. I've been telling my kids for years, show me your friends, I'll tell you your future. Doesn't get any more real than that. These are some cool people. If you hit them up, I'm sure you get some stickers. You need my sticker, I'll give it to you. I'll be more than willing to help out. Hit some training up together. That's my tip right there. Get some better friends.